Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakira, and today you guys are going to be joining me from an empty room, obviously. This is an empty room in my house, which I am so excited to say will not be empty for much longer. I honestly have had a vision for this room for quite some time now. I've wanted to transform it into like an office sanctuary space for myself. Honestly, just a place where I can feel very productive and get a lot of things done. So that is exactly what we will be doing in today's video. And if that is something that you are interested in, make sure you keep on watching and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button. But with all of that said, let's get into the transformation of this room. Okay, so I figured before I got started on building my desk or hanging up the wallpaper that I show you guys the before of the room. So I'm gonna show you guys that right now, and then we will get started on building and hanging some stuff up. So here's the before. Okay, so here's my desk that got here yesterday that I will be installing right now. Okay, so I'm a little bit nervous, and I'm nervous for something I didn't think I was going to be nervous about, which is building the desk, because I have built a couple desks in my lifetime and built a couple different things, and I'm pretty good, I'd like to say, at doing so, but this desk has a bunch of parts, and secondly, the instructions kind of made me a little bit nervous because it does say it requires 2 people and that it takes about 60 minutes. I am one person, and I mean, I guess I have 60 minutes, but it's a lot longer than what I've experienced in the past. So let me stop stalling and let me just get into it, and hopefully I can do this by myself. All right, guys, we did it. The desk is built. I am so happy and excited to show you guys. Let me give you a better view. Okay, so this is the desk. I am very proud of myself for being able to do 98% of the work, and Odell helped me get to that 100%. But this is what it looks like. I love it. I love that there's so many areas for storage because I already have ideas on how I want to do that. It is from Amazon, so if I can find it, I will link it below for you guys. So it's been a little bit more than 2 hours building this desk, and I need a break. So Odell and I are gonna go grab some lunch, and then I'll be back to do the wallpaper, or probably just start the wallpaper because we are losing some sun. And I don't know if I'll be able to do the full thing today because unfortunately, there's no light in this room other than my handy dandy ring light. But if that does give me enough light, I do want to finish it. So hopefully that's the case. But like I said, I'm gonna take a little break right now and I'll see you guys in a few. We just got home from lunch, or dinner technically, and Odell's bringing the ladder in for me. But I wanted to see if I could show you guys my blister. Do you guys see that? Do you see this blister? That is from building the desk. So I'm a little injured. Okay, so the sun has gone down quite a bit. It's actually setting right now. So I'm gonna have to use my ring light to start the wallpaper process. I've never put up wallpaper before, and I feel like there is a process. So I'm gonna open up the package first and see if maybe they have instructions in there. If not, probably use handy dandy YouTube and see if there is instructions on how to do so properly because I really don't want to mess this up. Stay tuned, let's see how this goes. Okay, so this is the package from Amazon that has the wallpaper. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and I will have it linked below for you guys as well, just in case you like it. Ooh, I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna make you guys wait. I think I'm gonna make you wait to see what it is until it is hung up. So keep watching. Good news and bad news. Good news is that I have 98% of the wall done, and it's looking really good. It's definitely hard work to put up wallpaper, and it's not perfect because I'm not a professional, but I'm very happy with what I've gotten so far. Bad news is that I ran out. I did just place another order on Amazon for 3 more rolls of the wallpaper. So this time around, I'll probably have a little bit left over, but I think it's better to have more than not enough. In this case, I had not enough. I'm gonna call it a night. Like I said, it is 8 p.m. I'm gonna just relax. I've been at this since 2, and I think I need to wind down now. So I will see you guys tomorrow or Wednesday. All right, guys, I have finally finished the accent wall with all the wallpaper in my office. So I am one step closer to having my sanctuary complete. But the moment you guys have been waiting for is the reveal of the wall and what type of wallpaper I got. So let me show you real quick the before, just in case you forgot. And this is the after. So I decided to go with a marble accent wall, which if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with marble, and it came out so good. I am very proud of myself for how this came out. Obviously, you can't really tell right now because it is not very bright outside and I don't have a light in here. So I'm using my ring light, which honestly does not give this wall justice. But this is the final product. From far away, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of the wall in some parts just so you could see where the imperfections are. As you can tell, like right here, for example, you can see where the wallpaper kind of connects because obviously there wasn't a wallpaper big enough to just cover the whole wall. I had to cut pieces to make sure that they fit. Obviously kind of goes through the whole wall as well, like right here. It doesn't connect like completely, but that's okay. It definitely gives it some character. And then of course, because I'm no professional, we have our outlet, which was probably the hardest thing to cut out. So up close, obviously you could see all of the little imperfections happening around here, but far away, it's like they don't exist. So I'm very happy with the outcome. Next up is the little couch that I got for this room, which should be here at the end of January or the beginning of February, which is, I think, a week away, if I'm not mistaken. I also obviously have to look for a chandelier because this room is very dark. There's no light other than whatever will come through the window. And then of course my lovely ring light that I have here. And then of course the little decorative touches, so like frames and just cute little accents to the room to bring it to life. So I think that is it for today. We will wait for the couch and wait for the chandelier, of course. So I will see you guys when the couch gets here. Good morning, guys. I literally just woke up. It is Saturday, January 30th, and it is 8:30, and the package just got here, meaning my couch just got here. The delivery people just stopped by. Odell and I, well, Odell opened the box and we brought it into the room. So here she is. But I'm gonna take her out of the packaging now and show you guys what it looks like. This is the room currently. This is the couch. She is just too cute. I freaking love it. I'll have it linked below for you guys. It's a velvet texture. The blue is just so perfect. Kind of like a neutral blue is the way that I would describe it. And then of course you have your mirror. And this is the desk situation. That chair is not gonna be there for long, but I feel like I might change some things up. I do love this desk, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in here because this room is pretty small, so it does kind of feel cramped in here now. So yeah, stay tuned for which desk I will put here. I don't know if I'm gonna switch it. I don't know if I'm just gonna move it around and shift things around and see if it works better. I'm gonna go shopping today for some accessories and just some decorative items for the room. So I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, it is Monday, February 1st. It is the 1st of February, and my chair just got here. It's in this little box. I don't know how it is, so I guess I'm gonna have to build it. So let's go ahead and build my chair. Okay, so we are now in my office. You guys are getting this really lovely angle because I don't want to spoil anything in the room up until this point. But here's a sneak peek of my chair that I actually am not going to be building. Odell's going to be building it for me because I don't really feel like building it. I have another thing from Amazon coming, I think tomorrow or Wednesday, and then I have a chandelier coming, I think on Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm probably gonna go to the stores and get some like decoration pieces now that like all the main things are in the room or going to be in the room. But this is coming together so nicely. I am so excited to show you guys the final product of this room. So make sure you keep on watching to see the finale. All right, bye. Hello guys, it is the next day and I'm coming to you from the floor in my room with some amazing lighting, as you can tell, but do have good news, and it is that my shelves got here. So great news on that end. Bad news is that I have to build it, but I'm going to anyways, obviously. And then even better news is that we are getting so close to this project being completely done. All that I am waiting on now is the chandelier, which should be getting here later this week, and then just some decor pieces, honestly, like to decorate the shelf, you know, plants, whatever, like just cute little decor for this room. And then I think it's gonna be done. So we are so close to the final reveal of this room. Enough talking and procrastinating. I need to build this shelf, which I'm not looking forward to, but I will see you guys later. Okay, you guys, I just got back home. It is February 9th. And my chandelier got here earlier today, which I was going to try my hardest to install myself, but I absolutely did not want to like bust a circuit or whatever you call it. So Odell's friend Chris, shout out Chris, so kindly came over before I left to install the chandelier for me. So I have not yet seen what the chandelier looks like in the room. I am so excited because I feel like that was kind of like one of the final touches for the room aside from the decoration. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what the chandelier looks like, and it'll be the first time that you and I see the chandelier. I'm inside. Moment of truth. Oh, I kind of already see it. Oh, wait, this is so cute. You guys, I didn't have a light in this room like at all. Like I literally was using my ring light as like the main light source for this room. I'm so excited. This room is like coming together. Okay, I'm gonna show you the chandelier. Okay, so the chandelier looks so good, like I had imagined. It definitely brought the room together. But now I have found that the most difficult part of this whole transformation has been the decor aspect of it, which is why I tried reaching out to a interior designer, but that obviously did not work out. So I am just gonna have to take on this task and hopefully come together with something nice. So over the next couple of weeks, I will just be shopping on Amazon and going online and going into stores trying to find the perfect decor to bring the room together and finally finish this project. So hopefully the next time that I see you guys, the room will be done and it will just be the room that I have imagined it to be. So I will see you guys Well, to you in like 5 seconds, but to me in like 5 weeks maybe. All right, bye. Hello guys, we are back. It is February 20th, 2021, and the room is 98% done. But I just honestly cannot keep waiting. I am so excited to show you guys pretty much all of the major pieces in the room, and like the, I guess, main decorative items as well are there already, but there is still a couple touches that I of course need to make, but I have yet to find the perfect piece for the room, and I don't want to rush that. So with that said, it is time to finally show you guys the room, the moment you have been waiting for. So if you are excited to see the room, make sure you give the video a thumbs up right now. Make sure you are subscribed and click that bell button, and let's go look at the room. Okay, you guys, before I show you the room, I wanted to jump back in real quick. I know you guys are probably like, stop talking and show us the room already, but there she is. I'm gonna show you guys the before once more, just in case you forgot what it looked like prior, and then a lovely little montage of the after for you guys, so enjoy. Alright, you guys, well, we made it to the final reveal, well, almost final reveal of this room's transformation. I am so beyond happy with how everything turned out. Now, like I said, I am not completely done yet. There are still a few things that I want to add, which, for example, is going to be a little end table on the other side of my couch, and then probably some frames or something above my desk. But once I have those things, oh, and also a proper pot for my little plant over here, because right now he's currently sitting in a hat. But aside from those few little things and some little knickknacks and accessories for the rest of my shelf, the room has pretty much transformed. So let me know what you guys think. Is this the vibe that you thought I was going for? Do you like it? Comment down below if you guys like the transformation of this video. If you do, again, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I will make sure to have as much as I can linked down below for you guys where I got things, so that you guys can get them as well. But yeah, I think I'm going to close out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell button, and check me out on Instagram as well at Shakira Curtis. I will have it right here or right here for you guys. All right, I will see you in the next one. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.